Wanna know how to do backtesting? Don't have premium of TradingView? Visit this website. Go charting. Go onto your browser. Click on gocharting.com. Just tap in. And now here your charts appear. And you just need to log in with your email ID. Then you can see that here is all sorts of features. You can do it open in your browser or your mobile phone. You can do technical analysis, option trading, multi-broking integration tool. There are a lot of features here, but we are going to do a backtesting. So just come here on the search bar below and just search for the symbol. Like I'm going to search for Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty. Fine. So the first one, the option, I will just Bank Nifty option. I will just click on chart. And here our chart will just dismiss it. Okay. So just let's start with the day, okay? Just backtest with the today. So today we have the chart here, right? This is the, okay. Sorry. I will just change it to 5 minutes. Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah. Now we are having a correct. So this is today chart, right? So now I want the backtesting from here, okay? So I will just click on here replay, and I will just tap on here, and I will just now start. Sorry, I haven't done that. Okay, sorry. You just need to double click, right? And then just start here. And see how it go. Can see how it is working. It is working fine. And you can click it here if you want to just avoid, okay?